Hello from BaseCamperHQ. My name is JP Roberts. I'm the owner of Base Camper located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Just returning from Flagstaff, Arizona, the Overland Expo West. And really couldn't wait to get this quick announcement out from Garmin. I fully understand that this light source coming in through the window is not a good thing for the video. However, I, again, was just kind of excited to kind of put together some of this information and get our first YouTube video posted. I'm going to be jumping onto the Garmin website here where they have more information about their new product called the Overlander. And it's something that when I first looked at it, I really wasn't sure of what to expect from the overall device and the different types of features and things that it had, as I had taken a picture of it inside of their Toyota 4Runner and didn't know exactly what I was looking at. But as I went through the booth and kind of explored a little bit more, it really started to draw me in. This is something that I think is going to be implemented in all of our vehicles. I've already gone ahead and pre-ordered and hope to be some of the first units to have out there in the field being used and ready for adventure. They went through some of the different features and things as they announced it for the first time, I believe, on Friday, and we were there Saturday going through the booth, and again, I almost just kind of went right past it, wasn't very familiar or aware, but as I kind of looked into it a little bit more, I started to think like, wait a second, this is the type of device that I was looking to have set up an iPad for, to help our clients be able to enjoy their experience. Well, as we go through, I just want to point out some of their different features that were the ones that attracted me the most. It definitely has all of the things that you would expect with regards to the navigation features. However, they are integrated with some different applications or sources of information, such as Overlander, that has points of interest, to easily help find the designated areas that people have already kind of labeled or tagged as dispersed and wild campgrounds. Another feature that we believe is going to be right up our alley for our clients to have ways of doing two-way text communication through satellite. We've already purchased some Garmin InReach Minis, as you see pictured here, that we will be equipping the vehicles with to stay in communication and to get weather updates as well. The Overlander also has some other functions and features with regards to pitch and roll angles and a barometer. So this kind of info when overlanding is definitely helpful. However, what I found that we're going to really enjoy with this is to be able to get our rover and flat and everything so that you know that you're level when you are using your rooftop tent. Also, in addition to some of those other features, one of the other integrations beyond the Overlander app is also the Ultimate Campgrounds. That one we feel like is very important that we use quite a bit. Keeping things simple, I do know and understand that an iPad is more versatile, and I had a lot of plans to have the various apps on there, but as we went through and I realized like we're generally working with about 11 to 13 different apps when trying to put things together, I really wanted to find a way to simplify that for our clients and be able to have a simpler experience. And then from there, as we discovered this and I kind of started looking into it, it may not have all the bells and whistles that I was hoping to kind of have integrated, but the individuals, you'll have your own iPhone or Android and a few different apps there that you'll be using, I'm sure. However, for the core basics and functionality, especially with getting off-road and having that GPS location, the safety and security of the InReach Mini that can sync up with this device and allow you to use in the text, for text messaging, I should say, and stay in communication either with your family or back here at BaseCamperHQ. This is all placed together in a overall experience that we feel is going to be more beneficial, even though it's a little not exactly all of the functionalities and features that we had planned. It's going to be more integrated and very well kept, and it really helps us to come along and start to work with this system in a way that we feel will be the a little bit of the backbone of the logistics of planning your trip. So again, hats off to Garmin with this new product and looking at this industry and the growing interest here to get out there and roam the unknown. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. If you want to follow along as this journey is just getting started as we go to build out the 5th Gen 4Runner, which I've affectionately named Rover. We will be documenting here on YouTube, so go ahead and subscribe, and you can also follow along on other social media at BaseCamperHQ. We're just getting started.